In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Notion. Hyperlinking is a simple but powerful way to make your pages more organized, interactive, and easy to navigate. Instead of pasting long, messy URLs directly into your notes, you can turn any word or phrase into a clean, clickable link. Let's walk through exactly how to do that step by step, and I'll add some tips along the way to help you get comfortable with the process. First, open your Notion page and type the text you want to turn into a link. This could be a word, a short phrase, or even a whole sentence. For example, you might write something like project brief, meeting notes, or read this article. Once that text is on the page, the next step is to highlight it. To highlight text in Notion, simply click and drag your mouse over the words you want to link, or hold down the Shift key and use your arrow keys to select the text. You'll know it's highlighted when it appears with a colored background. Take a moment to make sure you've selected exactly what you want, because only the highlighted part will become clickable. As soon as your text is highlighted, a small formatting toolbar appears just above or near the selection. On this toolbar, look for the option that says Add Link. It may appear as a chain icon or as a link label, depending on your version or theme. Click on Add Link and a small box will pop up where you can enter the web address. Now go to the website, page, or resource you want to link to, and copy its URL from your browser's address bar. Come back to Notion, click inside the link box and paste the URL. You can usually paste by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut like Ctrl-V or Command-V. After you've pasted the link, press Enter or click Away to confirm. Your selected text is now a hyperlink. When you hover over it, you'll see the URL, and when you click it, Notion will open that link for you. If you ever need to change or remove the link, just highlight the text again, open the same link option, and edit or clear it. And that's all there is to it. Highlight the text, click on Add Link, and paste your link.